The universe is vast. We explore its mysteries with telescopes and spacecraft, but there's another frontier equally vast and unknown, the digital world. In Tron Ares, we journey into this realm. It's a world born from lines of code, a landscape of glowing circuits and digital energy. This is the domain of programs, artificial intelligences living out their lives. Tron Ares invites us to imagine a future where the line between the real and the digital blurs. We see the potential and the peril of this digital frontier. The film asks us to ponder our relationship with technology. How will it shape our future? What does it mean to exist in the digital age? The original Tron in 1982 introduced us to the grid. It was a digital world inside computer systems. Programs imbued with artificial intelligence battled for survival. It was a groundbreaking concept, visually stunning for its time. Today, the ideas of Tron resonate even more. We live in a world increasingly reliant on digital technology. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing. Virtual reality is becoming more sophisticated. Tron Ares taps into these anxieties and aspirations. Tron Ares explores a fascinating concept: uploading human consciousness into a computer. Imagine transferring your thoughts, memories, and personality into a digital form. You would leave your physical body behind and exist solely in the digital world. This concept, while still science fiction, raises profound questions. What constitutes our consciousness? Is it purely biological, or can it be replicated digitally? The ethical implications are staggering. What happens to our bodies? Do our digital selves have the same rights as our physical selves? Creating a virtual world like the grid is a monumental task. It requires immense computing power, complex algorithms, and sophisticated software. Today, we see glimpses of this potential in video games and virtual reality simulations. However, these are still pale imitations of the fully immersive world depicted in Tron Ares. To truly replicate reality in the digital realm, we need to make significant leaps in areas like artificial intelligence, sensory feedback, and data processing. Section 5. Echoes in the code Tron and AI. The programs in Tron exhibit artificial intelligence. They learn, adapt, and even evolve. This mirrors the advancements we see in AI today. Machine learning algorithms are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can analyze vast data sets, recognize patterns, and make decisions. While we haven't achieved the sentient AI depicted in Tron, the film's exploration of artificial consciousness serves as a reminder of the potential and the risks of this technology. Section 6. The genesis of grid inspiration and innovation. The world of Tron wasn't solely a product of imagination. It drew inspiration from real-world technologies and scientific concepts. The film's creators consulted with computer scientists and programmers to ground the technology of the grid in reality. The film's visual aesthetic, with its glowing lines and geometric shapes, was inspired by early computer graphics and arcade games. Tron Ares continues this legacy, blending cutting-edge technology with a retro-futuristic style. Section 7. Living in the digital tomorrow. Tron Ares compels us to envision a future where our digital and physical lives become increasingly intertwined. Imagine a world where we work, socialize, and even fall in love within virtual environments. This digital future holds immense potential. It could offer new avenues for creativity, communication, and exploration. However, it also presents challenges. How do we preserve our humanity in a digital world? How do we ensure equal access and opportunity in a digital society? Section 8. The ethical maze of digital existence. The concept of uploading consciousness into a computer, as explored in Tron Ares, raises a myriad of ethical dilemmas. If we can create digital copies of ourselves, what responsibilities do we have to these digital beings? Do they have the same rights as humans? Who controls access to the digital world and the data it contains? These are complex questions with no easy answers. As we venture further into the digital frontier, we must grapple with these ethical considerations. Section 9. our digital destiny. Tron Ares serves as a powerful reminder that we are on the cusp of a digital revolution. Technology is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The future is filled with both promise and uncertainty. As we navigate this digital frontier, we must proceed with caution and foresight. We must ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The choices we make today will determine the course of our digital destiny. The future, like the grid, is ours to shape.